Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. This is Waqas Shafique, Minecraft Global Mentor and Minecraft Certified Trainer. Based on several requests I received that how you can make a running car using Minecraft Education Edition. So today I'm just going to show you how you can make a running car using Minecraft Education Edition. So I'm on my Minecraft page. So let me create one of the world from here, and I can name it like a demo car model might be, and we will play it in a creative mode, and the world I am choosing is a flat world so we can work easily. So it will take a little time and our world will be ready, and we will see that how you can make a car in a running condition within Minecraft Education Edition. So what I'm going to choose here is you need to choose few things from the inventory, and within the inventory I'm just going to tell you like 7 things which you can choose to make a good car for you. So that the first thing is a slime block. You can choose it. Other than that, we will be required of a piston, both form of piston, the piston one and the sticky piston. And the third and fourth important thing which you will be required is might be the sticky or the might be the observer. We can also choose a redstone here, a block of a redstone, and for in order to make tire of a car, we might choose like black concrete. And for the headlight of a car, what we can do is we might choose something from the buttons, and that's it. This is what you will be required to make a car. So let's try something now. So I'm just going to put starting from the tire of a car. And now we will choose a slime block, and we can put it one of over here, one of the things over here, and let's move at the back side. And this is where we need to might be put the sticky piston. And once you will put the sticky piston, you can might be choose a slime block again, and at that particular place of we can make 2 more tires by choosing the black concrete button. One we can insert here, the other one might be here. So now we are good to go ahead with, let's see from the upside what we can do now is, here we need to basically put the observer, but in order to put it correctly, your direction should be up to this block. So what I can do is, in order to put the observer block in a effective way, so I can choose the slime block might be again, just for the time being, just to ensure that I am doing everything correctly. Now I need to put the select the observer, and your direction while selecting it should be like this. So if you see this red button, if you can observe this red button, the edge of this should be in front, should be up to this block. So in order to do that, you can move in and you can put one of the block here. Now it would work well. So I can remove these extra blocks. I can put one of the block here. And now what we can do is, might be at the front side of the car, like we can have a piston here, just like this one. And in the front end of a car, we might have a stone button in a place of a headlights. So I think so we're good to go ahead with the running car now. It's looking like a car, but in order to run it, you need to choose the red block just to make sure that it is working. So I'm just going to choose block of redstone and going to put it here. So there we go. The car is in running condition now. So this is how you can do some amazing stuff in Minecraft Education Edition in order to engage your students in the classroom. Thank you.